am Professor Dr. K. Porkumaran. For the past 2 days, it's a wonderful experience for me as well, all the team members here. Not only a conventional method of thinking, a new way of thinking process in all the dimensions of any organization. And we were able to see the excellent facilities available at 8020 FinTech Design Center, and all the teams here, the way of communicating, way of delivering, way of inspiring others is excellent. With the basic of 3 laws, and mainly focusing on the last 2% into 200%, giving prioritization, giving focus on new thought process, which will really enhances the thinking process of each and every progress happening in any organization. I hope and expect the 2-day program, not only a 2-day program, it's a continuous learning process on design thinking initiatives taken by Intellect, will enhance the empowerment of professionals, also empowerment of any organization to achieve their vision in line with the strategic plan. Thank you.